The 2026 Ferrari F80 is a stunning evolution of Ferrari's hypercar DNA. Up front, you've got razor-sharp splitters and gigantic air intakes that don't just look mean, they actively channel airflow to cool the brakes and improve downforce. Follow that sculpted line down the sides and notice the deep aerodynamic channels. They direct air seamlessly to the active rear diffuser and pop-up spoilers. Combined, these elements deliver up to 900 kilograms of downforce at high speed. That means more grip, more cornering stability, and more confidence for the lucky few who get to drive it flat out. Even the wheels are aerodynamic masterpieces, using carbon blades that reduce turbulence and direct air to the carbon ceramic brakes. And check out the rear. Those slim LED taillights stretch across a wide rear deck, emphasizing the car's ultra-low planted stance. The F80 is powered by a next-generation 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, paired with a sophisticated electric drive system. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 950 horsepower and over 800 lb-ft of torque. Thanks to Ferrari's cutting-edge hybrid tech, derived straight from their Formula One program, the electric motors fill in every gap, providing instant torque. So your 0 to 60 time? Just 2.2 seconds, with a top speed soaring past 230 miles per hour. And it's not just about straight-line insanity. Ferrari's new torque vectoring system uses the electric motors to subtly adjust power delivery in corners, giving you laser-sharp handling whether you're attacking hairpins or flowing through high-speed sweepers. Underneath, the F80 rides on a brand-new carbon fiber monocoque that's stiffer and lighter than anything Ferrari's built before. Paired with active suspension that reads the road 1,000 times per second, the car can tighten up for a track session or soften for city cruising. Inside, it's all about the driver. The cabin features a wraparound digital cockpit that blends classic Ferrari cues with future tech. The new curved OLED cluster provides real-time telemetry, adaptive driving modes, and even a digital pit crew that learns your style, adjusting damping, throttle, and even regenerative braking based on how you drive. Add to that a new AI-assisted driving coach that offers corner-by-corner feedback on track days. So whether you're a pro driver or an enthusiastic amateur, the F80 helps you extract the best lap time possible. And of course, it wouldn't be a Ferrari without a soundtrack that sends shivers down your spine. Even with hybrid assistance, the F80's V8 screams to 9,000 RPM, producing a raw metallic howl that's pure Ferrari magic. So there you have it, the 2026 Ferrari F80, a near 1,000 horsepower hybrid hypercar, blending mind-blowing performance with stunning Italian artistry and cutting-edge technology. What do you think? Is this the future of Ferrari done right, or do you miss the old naturally aspirated days? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insane car content, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep chasing speed and style.